VK,
Sure bhuti khamba kanjani?
ku-right mfowethu, ku-right. Kunjani kuwe?
Hayi kufana isikhala siya phambili
Amen,
njenge-ambulance.
amen, amen bafowethu. Anjani amakhazi egudle, kwantongazi yaduma?
Akuyabanda kodwa-ke hayi kabi hayi ngaleyo ndlela kufani nokuthi-ke ngisuke eNatal ngoba ngifike namhlanje ekuseni.
Okay.
Free State ku-West.
Ya.
Ku-West Free State hayi la kuyabanda ya kodwa nje kungcono kuneminye iminyaka thina sesijwayele ya for umuntu omusha hayi angakhala.
Yikho-ke ngalibalekela igoli, ngangazi
Ya
iwede emnandi kangaka. Mina ngizwana namakhaza mfowethu, abona la eMpumalanga, hayi kusekhaya.
kuwoma iMpumalanga iwoma. iMpumalanga i-KZN kuwoma.
Ya.
Kuba nje nalezo zikhawu lapha nalapha.
Ya mfowethu, kuhle-ke uma kunjalo mfowethu. Asivele mfethu sihlale phezu kodaba mfethu, sikhuluma no-VK namhlanje. Konje u-VK, mina-ke u-VK ngiyamazi. Nazi u-VK7 ne-merchandise yakhe even lapha lokhunjeni kwi-wardrobe yami. I still hold kuleyo merchandise. But u-VK umuntu olidlalela ibhola, usiphe nje ukuthi u-VK ubani bese sihlala phezu kodaba le-Orlando Pirates njengomlandeli wayo esizokhuluma ngayo.
Ya hayi ngibingelele ngiphinde ngibingelele nababukeli bakho bhuti. Hayi kama mina nguvukani wakamlotshwa e-KZN la ngizalwa khona kodwa ngokuhlala eJohannesburg. Ya ngidume ngo-VK7 lokho kusuka ezikhathini zami zokudlala ibhola. Angiziqambanga igama ngilithole nje ngesikhathi ngidlala ibhola yabo. So nje ya ibhola into engiyi-understandayo nge-distance noma ngihambile ngalo ngeke ngisho ngilazi lonke. Lo hafunyana khona hafunyana webhola engikwaziyo. Nakhona uku-analyze ibhola nginako lokho lapha nalapha ngikulibuka nangokuthi ngeke ngadlala ngikwazi uku-analyze ngigcine la ngigcina khona ngeke ngisho ukuthi hayi ngiyi-top analyst sengazilinganisa nani kanje abantu abahlalela khona uku-analyze.
Ya, ngiyakuzwa mfowethu, ngiyakuzwa. Sibonge VK mfowethu usipha umlando wakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi indoda vele edlalela ibhola nokuyibona iy'thombe zakho, but-ke mfethu i-football sometimes you might like it ukuthi ufisa ukuyidlala, but uthole ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhlelele ngenye indlela. Even if you are not a bad player, maningi ama-player esiwabonile uthole ukuthi they are good players but they didn't make it ku-top flight. Ngicabanga ukuthi sisakhuluma ngakho nje lokho, siphinde sithi rest in peace, ngathi uMichael Nkambule or ubani this guy oshonile lo wase-Davidton.
Ya Michael Nkambule.
It's sad mfethu ukudlula ka-Michael. Ukuthini ukuphawula kwakho mfethu masiluza? Ngicabanga no-Jaden Adams, may his soul rest in peace, udlulile emhlabeni before nje singene ku-Orlando Pirates. Nakho nelinye isotsha elincane noma-ke belingasadlali-ke lona, but ukuthini ukuphawula kwakho if you are losing like young players like that?
Kubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba uyazi ukuthi into ezenzeka football zingaphezu kwezinto esizibonayo. Thina siyasikhuluma nje ibhola sixhekele sigxeka khona ngoba phela sabalandeli vele njengoba sabalandeli sikhonela khona lokuthi sigxeke khona si-celebrate lo si-celebrate-ayo silwe la silwa khona ngoba phela ibhola limnandi ukuthi siyalwa nje kunama-rivals. Kumnandi lo ukuthi nama-rivals if singama-rivals ebholeni angeke ibhola libe mnandi kodwa nje ukuluza abafowethu abanye obhuti abanye abancane ebholeni okunye singabi nayo mhlawumbe i-full information njengoba noJaden ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Yes ushonile uJaden usazi ukuthi uzibulele but asinayo yonke i-full information. Okwabhuti lo uMichael Nkambule kubuhlungu kakhulu because naye ube umuntu orecovayo ngokwempilo ukuzibuyisela ekutheni abe umuntu noma ngeke safana nokuthi umdlali ngoba nakhona melimala ubebuya khona kuya ebholeni bebuya khona kodlala ibhola ama-legend. Kubuhlungu kakhulu kwentweni kanjalo ukuthi umuntu njengana loyo uthi ayithi ngibuye ngibe umuntu emphakathini-ke noma ngasayini umdlali webhola mase simluze ngendlela simluze ngayo ngoba phela waba involved kwi-accident kwaze washonela esibhedlela. Kwaba buhlungu kakhulu ngoba njengoba ngisho ube umuntu obezibuyisa emphakathini ebuyisela emphakathini lo lwazi ekadeni nalo enza ukuthi sikhohlwe ukuthi mhlawumbe wrong bakhe abenzile lokhu naloku aku-wrong kodwa bebuyisele okuhle emphakathini. Unfortunately uNkulunkulu-ke unesikhathi sakhe esingeke sisiphikise.
Ya kunjalo mfethu, uNkulunkulu nesikhathi sakhe futhi angeke sisiphikise ngempela. All we can say bafethu ukuthi uNkulunkulu akabe nathi ngoba you can't falter anyone ukuthi adlule emhlabeni. Mase kufika isikhathi sefika isikhathi. Ya may their soul rest in peace. Ngikhuluma ngalabo bantu uMichael Nkambule kanye noJaden Adams. Good man. VK mfethu, you are a champion this from last season. Ayikho i-champion esakhawunile, which means you are still a champion this season. Ngikhuluma ngeteam yakho lapha ne-Orlando Pirates and you won i-treble last season, or you also won League Cup le encanyana abanye abanokuyicelebrate kwamanye ama-team, but wena you won and you didn't recognize it to be the quadruple, if I may say it. But you've won ilokhunye. Mhlawumbe awusiphe nje i-wrap up ya last season. How did you see the team yakho ya last season nanokuthi you lost some of the key players from i-team ya last season nje mawungasirephaphela i-season ye-Orlando Pirates ya last season ungathini ngayo?
Ngathini last season noma siqale kabi kodwa masiqhubeka ngohambo siye sabamba le momentum ekuthe masiza futhi ngasekugcineni saba nalawo mkinga ama break kade sesibambeka ngasekugcineni okuthi ke mhlawumbe mina last season engithe mangibuka ngabuka njenga as much as swinile but last season we learning curve yet because besilose chase Sundowns for so long mhlawumbe I think for about 5 years in a row silose ba chase sifike kuthi makupha nonyaka sikhathale last season engicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe into esisebenzelile kakhulu ukuthi sithi siqala isizini sibe kade sine foundation kade ithanda kuba ngcono kade ikhandwe ucoach kade ehambile amehamba kwafika omunye ucoach umuntu othanda ukuwina phezulu kwalabadlali kade bekhona sebenayo test yokuwina ngoba ama domestic cup kade sinawo sebenayo lo test yokuwina uthi amafika lo coach wafika ne mentality engafani neka Jose uJose he was a good coach but ubengenayo lento ukuthi abe hard ebadlalini mina into engithanda ngocoach esinayo ukuthi he's hard on players uyazi ukuthi la sizosebenza if afuna ukusebenza then hlala ngaphandle or uhlale kuma stands so engathi mina last season beku learning curve yethu in terms of winning I Betway Premiership akuyona sifuna lawo amanye ama cup yes siyawathanda kodwa sinako lo ukuthi hayi ngaluza o Carling Black Label in but I Betway Premiership mosha I Betway Premiership ila sikubona khona thi okay le team engakwazi ukucompete anywhere kwi CAF ukuze compete kwi CAF mina nginale believe ukuthi mangicompete kwi CAF as number 2 nalapha kwi CAF ngino undermine because ngize ngokwenzeleleka la but going to CAF this year as a champion mina nginethemba lokuthi khona singekwenza okungcono nanokuthi ke la season ngathi uqala kwale season ukuluza iplayer enjenga Norele kuthanda ukusikhosta lapha nalapha kancane kodwa hayi kakhulu ngathini ngoba mazochecka indlela uRele bedlala ngayo number 10 ngoba nayo beqala udlala number 10 last season singakhuluma sithi hey Pirates management wethu umuntu odlalise uRele as number 10 uye lo coach so uma kuhamba uRele lo coach ekhona mina I still believe ukuthi coach saseqhamuka neqhinga elinye elizokwazi ukuthi singamkhumbuli uRele kwi season simkhumbule njengane legend uRele usenzele kahle kodwa eguidwa ucoach lo esasenayo mina I believe kuba khona kwa coach ikona okungcono ukunokuba khona komdlali sikabe no coach sibe no coach omusha thina I continuity yethu ucoach not ama player ama players will come and go nabo coach will come and go but for now ukuthi nesino coach esiwine ngaye iTreble any league last season kusinika iupper hand going to this season lethe siqalile esesino 3 point kuyona futhi ngine believe ukuthi asenzanga bad yes as our fans sizohlala sinama complaint ukuthi hey ukube ucoach bedlalise bani ucoach ongadlalisa bani into ekhona vele ngoba phela thina siyalibuka angathini ukulibuka kwethu ayikho into esiluzayo siluza ngokuthi siluza igame but business wise noma mhlawumbe ngokwebhola ungenelela kulona uncane sikuluzayo thina siluze enhliziyweni so ucoach wethu last season uqale with amaluza u2 samgxeka kakhulu wabuya wahlanganisa saqoqa sabuya this season siqale with a win but monga checka ngathini inegativity kuthina as ama fans it's bigger than last season lesiqale khona ngamaluzi so lethe ngisho ukuthi thina as ama fans nani as ama soccer analyst sometimes sinokuba harsh singabheka ama side wonke uthi wena uanalyzer ibhola ngokwamanje ngokwegame esidlala manje awubheka ukuthi ama past games ucoach ubenza kanjani mina I trust ucoaches naye as much as enawo amaphutha ngoba naye ucoach umuntu usebenza ngesquad esinama player amaningi but mina I believe ukuthi na this season we're gonna defend MTN8 and league Carling mhlawumbe we might not defend because sine CAF to play so Carling Black Label as much as nayo sifuna because phela nje wasabalandeli sifuna noma yini phambi kwethu but mina ngithi coach manga defend MTN8 manje lokho kuzobe sekusinika ibreath going to league the CAF Champions League because mina as a Pirate fan mina self ngabala abanye my target is Betway Premiership and CAF Champions League between the two if singawina le 2 noma singawina any trophy enye masingawina le 2 then we done even if we don't win the league if singawina CAF Champions League then mina I will say ucoach akanikwe lifetime contract.
Yeah. Talk about the coach, my brother. I think you are spot on because many changes were made by coach, referring to the point of Kulmangaya last season. When he started last season, he made lots of changes. But if we are looking at his first game and second game this season, there were slightly changes. And I think he learned from Lendo Wuti, if it's him, season, then you put new players. Because if you can look, Amakimake I2, someone would say, but about dancing, but one might say, no, Dancing has been with Orlando Pirates is not a new player, but players like Abo Mtiane, they've been starting on the bench. Ganjalo Nabo Masile. Talking about to coach Mfethu, there was this thing he might not coach Orlando Pirates this season. What was your feeling, Ngaleso Skati? Because losing such a coach who has made history, Orlando Pirates, even a Betway, just come and Betway, first coach to come and win a league and 2 cups at the same time. What was your feeling when the coach was rumored to be going at that time?
Mina angifuni ukutshela manga bengibhlungu ucoach amahamba, but njengisho as ama fans ubana lento uthi we'll get another coach if it happens ukuthi uyahamba ngokuthi yena ufuna ukuhamba, asikwazi kumvimbela, but at the same time bengizoba mina painful ngoba bezobe kusho ukuthi we have to start afresh, of which njengoba yena ekhona manje mina ngine-believe ukuthi uyawazi ama-mistakes awenzile last season acishe asikhoste yona i-Betway Premiership, so lawo ma-mistake uzowa-minimize this season, kodwa ukube besimdedela ahambe should bezofuna siqale phansi kufika umuntu omusha osezofuna uku-understand i-culture, afuna uku-understand ama-player, yonke lento uthi manje sekufanele ukuthi siqala phansi ka-a.
No, in my view, the way bekuzokwenza ngakhona bekuzoba sengathi lento ibe yilakhi. I'm happy ukuthi he managed to come back and then wakwazi ukuthi aqale i-season abe nane pre-season ne-team aphinde futhi akwazi ukuqala i-season entsha as ama-defending champions this season. Let's go kwi-match not kwi-match, sibuke nje ilokhu nje Orlando Pirates indlela eqale ngayo izolo kwi-starting 11 sayo. Bekuno Chine, asiqale ngapha ku-backline, bekuno Chine, uChain, bekuno Ndaba, kuno Sibelebele ubedlala ka-right, then kwaba uSiyema kwaba uSibisi, of which uSibisi had to be taken out in half time since uye walimala. But looking at that defense, since kwahamba uMbokazi, uSibisi has been there. Le defense ka Sibisi, uSiyema, uNdaba no Sibelebele, what's your take? Who do you think ukuthi they are the right people that will take you to Promised Land in terms of Champions League ne-league? Ngikhuluma lapha nge-defense, imaphi ama-player wathanda noma your back four that you think ukuthi if maybe coach can stick to them, maybe impumelelo ngayithola this season?
Mina I think the first four, Chain, first five, Chain, uSibisi, uSiyema, uSibilibili, then ngibe nalento leyo yabo ku-left back. Ku-left back ngicabanga ukuthi ila khona engathini spoiled with choice. Anyone who played in our left back position will deliver nanoma ufaka bani noma uHolt noma ngabe uNdaba, even this new guy uRampo naye can do into efanayo nalapha. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi lapha ku-left back is spoiled with that position because whoever plays there will excel. La ngiba ne-worry khona ikwi-right back, uSibelebele is good, but Van Rooyen good, but angathini medlala is like ngathi unale pressure ithwele. He's like angifuni ukwenza umedlala udlala ngathi angifuni ukwenza ama mistakes, yabo. So engine problem nyana kancane ngayo yi right back, kodwa futhi at the same time asika experience any problem with the right back yethu so far. Ngibona saseke kuhle sibuye la kwi-center back with uSiyema and uSibisi, sinoba noThebejane noZulu. Kwi-center back, if mina bengiyi-management, bengiyi-one of the-management, I was gonna go for maybe for one experienced center back, because uma check center back yethu umuntu one-experience, as much as abantu bemgxeka bekhuluma yonke bekhuluma uSibisi, if uzo-check-a i-organization yaSibisi indlela vocal ngayo iyasiza kakhulu, egcine yenza ukuthi i-center back yethu i-solid and strong. Kanti no, it's a leadership. Ezinye izinto angadlala ibhola ngokufana. uSibisi angeke adlale njengoNosiyema. uSibisi is one of those hard guys esibadingayo, umuntu ongasabi i-challenge. uSiyema at some point uyasaba ungena kwi-challenge. uSibisi any challenge uyazicommit, uyangena, whether uyalimala ukwenzakalani, but uyangena. Kodwa lento ngisho ukuthi egcineni thina as ama-fans, uSibisi mhlambe kule back four umuntu ama-fans angamthandisisi okudlula wonke umuntu okhona le back four. Abalibheka umsebenzi wakhe, even if uzobheka our first game le league ye-Midford.
Yeah.
Mina for me uSibisi, he was the man of the match that game. But because uSibisi, even nama-selectors unoku-undermine-eka ukuthi uSibisi what. So for mina back four ngathini i-defense yethu, as much as we covered, but I think we need one solid experienced center back, because we're going to ICAF. Ngoba uXoki mhlambe after that injury kuzomthatha isikhathi eside nokuthi abuyena, as much as naye engekho that good, but his experience kwamanye ama game, if 100% fit can still help us.
Yeah, true, my brother. Uxoki, he was also one of those players of which fans will talk negative about them. Same like Usbisi. But at the end of the day, you find Uguti, when they are there, the team is winning. Usbisi has been playing ever since Umbogaza Hambile. Usbisi was even playing when we were winning ama MTN 8 go Depen. You guys were winning ama MTN 8 go Depen. Unfortunately, Begaba nama injured. But he's been part and parcel of the defense, the Orlando Pirates. So I think you have a point. I think right nami uLokunda uFan Rooyen akawuthola ngumgqibo kahle because I think kuze kufike ubasibelebele nje still basalo batry umuntu ozofike afite like laphana ku right back Orlando Pirates. And your point ukuthi you guys need another center back. We need another center back. I think you are spot on there.
Yeah.
Then moving to midfield. Midfield wise bonile ukuthi lo mfana lona uDansini is gonna play this season, but I don't know ukuthi into zoqhubeka continuously or maybe basa test amanzi foot like before, because midfield you guys have Unduli, you have Nkumala Paka number 6,
Number 6.
the legendary
Okay.
Mark. Yeah, okay. So do you think now is the time for Dansini to take over, or you believe ukuthi you still need time ukuthi afundise? Why I'm saying this? If ubheka i-backline ye-Orlando Pirates, lento esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi if there is a senior player, ngikhuluma ngOsibisi organizes that defense. He is vocal, he is there to motivate and support. So ku-midfield mawungabheka the past 2 games baqala ngoDansini, of which yena noMbatha, I'm not seeing that combination ukuthi there are players who complement each other, but kusaqala yabo. So what's your take about Dansini? Is it the right time now for him to step up and take over from Gunduli and Ukesh?
I mean, I will say to that midfield, for the past 2 games, ngibukile ngaba worried kakhulu nge-midfield yethu. Ngangokuthi abantu abanye ngikhuluma nabo ibhola, ngikhuluma nabo ibhola ngisuke ngisho ukuthi ba-understand ibhola, mhlambe kule level nami ngili-understanda ngayo. Ngeke ngathi mina uDansini is a good player. Umbatha as well is a good player, but both there's no number 6 between the two. The players are 8 about 2. They are more good on the ball, but when it comes to defending, you still need to Cash or Usihle. Between Usihle and Cash, someone while 2 has to play nalamajita lawo.
Yeah. I get your point, VK. And the London let's be like 10 sisakhuluma ngayo midfield. When you play Umbatha no Dansini, that means you have double number 8. You don't have a 6.
Yeah, I don't have a 6.
And then you find yourself they are not that profitable also in terms of creating as the 8s.
Yeah.
So phambi kwabo kuno Maswanganyi, of which naye ugcina ungazi ukuthi does he fall kulo number 8 or is he playing number 10, because also number 10 the creativity was not there, especially talking about the game here Saturday. He was not that creative, which show ukuthi there is a big void issue Lokunda issue president number 2000 khuluma lapha number 10. So is this system yeah, because there were 3 midfielders, but all of them, they were not that creative and they were not that defensive. Yes, one might say no, there was no need to defend because Ilona move.
Yeah.
But creative wise, because you are playing with 2 number 8s and a number 10. But chance created, I didn't see much of chances. What's your take?
Yeah, going to that point of double 8 and 10, eqiniseni singabi that productive as a team. Noma esenza singafiki final third ngendlela esifuna ngayo. One will come back and blame Utito Maswanganyi. Then you'll ask yourself, okay, I'm not saying he's one of the best or he's the best, but most of a game when we're playing Umbatha and Dansini, then Utito is a number 10. Utito esikhathini esiningi iyamphoqa ukuthi adrope kakhulu azocollecta ibhola ngoba le two layidlala more sideways badlale as i-double-8 futhi mayibuya i-double-8 yabo ngathi uthi i-double-6 but enganginiki that balance. So most of check ama game la uTito adlala khona mhlawumbe kuno Cash and Umbatha uba more advanced. uCash vele akenza into eziningi, uhlala esigubhini, awine wonke amabhola, a-protect defense, athathe ibhola anika lama-attackers, okunika Umbatha that freedom to go a bit forward, okuzokwenza uTito is number 10 ukuthi angadrop kakhulu sibe dangerous after i-middle yethu kuya phambili. uTito umenza ukuthi akwazi ukurana even off the ball behind i-defense. Most check uTito last season, he was played more of as a sub, but I think uscore more than 8 goals isizini yonke. Lapho besine umuntu odlala as 6 lesimbiza nge-central defensive midfield owazi iduty yami ukuwina amabhola bese ngidlalela labantu. So lento imnika yena uTito as 10 ukuthi angadrop kakhulu but athola amabhola kwi-advanced position. But if you're going to play uDenson and uMbatha, uTito kuyamphoqa ukuthi adrope kakhulu because even i-combination iAmbatha no Denson, even ama-opponent wethu awanayo umuntu amsabayo hard ukuthi lo masiza uzosinika that hardship attack. So i-allow ama-opponent na ukuthi afile free ku-midfield ukuthi akumuntu osikhahlelayo la usinika lento le, but mawunosihle noma nocash unika leyo nto leyo ukuthi awuzi la uzokhahleleka uzolimala futhi moze noma kanjani. Amabhola ngizowina uMbatha adlala ama-10 adlala uTito kwi-advanced position uthi ubheka istrike useya-runner behind ama-striker udlala ama-wing at the boxing, but masizodlala ngoDenson noMbatha sizolimala.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa VK. Yabona, which means masigoqa lapha eswing, you still believe ukuthi one from Cash and Nduli must take number 6 position.
Yes.
For the team to be solid. And then who do you put ke ku number 8 and 10?
Lapho mina ngadlala ngalaba tried and tested oku Apolisi noMremi.
Okay.
Ama-white players ngadlala ngo-Apolisi noMremi ba exchange. Then mangizodlala ngoTito more advanced la as a 10 ozoba more advanced ozoba angacabangi ngokudlala ibhola ngoba alifiki uTito umuntu oshada ukudlala ibhola kakhulu. Malingafika ibhola he drops. So mangizodlala ngoCash noMbatha abazobe beza ezobe uMbatha eza kakhulu uTito kuzobe kungamvumela uTito drop. Ngidlala bese ngidlala istriker ngoMakgopa. No matter uMakgopa uyakora kakhulu but sizokora even izochecka la season. Ama-striker wethu abengakori because besinama creative midfielders afikayo kora. And the team as ama-fans we were complaining, hey, our strikers are not scoring goals, but we are the most scoring team. Yile sifunayo ukuthi score ama-goal as a team or kukore certain individuals. Yile difference sibuza thina as ama-fans.
Yeah, you have a valid point there because Pirates was free scoring. Kunama team awasha 5-0, kunama team awasha 7. But ama-fans they were complaining about Umbuthuma. Okay, yeah, I get your first 10. Even your first 11, because you are precisely saying ukuthi uMakgopa is the target man that
Yes.
will.
Mina reason mina ngingadlala uMakgopa ahead of Umbuthuma, not to say Umbuthuma is not good. Umbuthuma is good. He's very good for us. Uma ubuka ibhola ulibuka ngo-understand ungalibuka ukuthi uthanda bani. He's very good. That guy uyakhona ukuthatha ama-center back with him. Alawe apolice abobani ukuthi bangene la spacing. Sebefika nganamuntu. But njengisho ukuthi as much ngesikhathi engakori thina as ama-fans we get frustrated ngoMbuthuma not nge-team. Thina ama-fans sibe singabuka ibhola nge-team. Sibuka ibhola nge-certain individual to say hayi uMbuthuma uyi-striker he need to score. Ungabheki ukuthi kulamagoli esokorile ucontribute kanjani uMbuthuma. Abanye bethu buyishaye kakhulu as ama-fans. Abanye ama-fans wethu awalibuka ikona ibhola, they just watch ama-highlights. Umuntu abuka ama-highlights then uzofuna ukukhuluma as if he's analyzing something that he never watched. You can't analyze a game from ama-highlights. But thina as ama-fans umuntu anqena ukubuka lawo ma-highlights amagoli then abuye kube zoba nabathi athi he didn't have a good game, what. Mina will play uMakgopa just because uMakgopa he's an international striker. So una that experience yama-big games kakhulu since we're going to play CAF. Udlalile i-AFCON 2, udlalile i-World Cup, ama-qualifier yonke lento. That's why mina will prefer uMakgopa as our number 9 because he's more experienced than ama-striker esinawo la.
Yeah, uMakgopa, he has proven himself. I think even there were rumors after World Cup which there were interest from European countries, but we saw uMakgopa coming back to play for Orlando Pirates. VK mfowethu ngiyabonga ukuthi unginikeze i-team oyibonayo ukuthi this season how are you guys seeing the team and thinking ukuthi team how can it be lined up for ukudefenda i-league bethu i-Premiership kanjalo nokuthi iyodlala i-CAF Champions League. Before sivale ngisahleli nayo VK umfoka Mlotsho umlandeli omkhulu we-Orlando Pirates. So before sivale VK ngifisa ke manje siyobuka ama-new players that Orlando Pirates ewasayinile. Ngicabanga ukuthi amanye they are already impactful. If ungabuka ukampani lungu igoli alishaye almost umdlalo so
last minute. Yeah, masobuya kulama player amasha. Kuma player amasha esiwasayinile. Ngathi sisayine ama player, mazocheck ama scout we Pirates. ama-scout we-Pirates ane-system yawo esutha i-Pirates style. Njengoba nocoach-ke wakubalula ey'nsukwini ezidlule ukuthi he's not the one who recruit ama-player, but ama-player kwi-Pirates a-recruitwa i-system ekhona nayo efice ikhona. So yena okumsiza ngokusho kwakho ukuthi kuyamsiza lokho ukuthi angabi uyena o-recruit ama-player cause naye uyafika. I-system as much as eyibuka ngale ndlela eyibuka ngayo aka-understand fully i-system ye-Pirates. He can go and say I want this player, then uthole le player le ayisuthi i-system noma i-style of play se-Pirates. Mozo-check-a i-Pirates indlela e-recruiter ngayo. I-Pirates i-recruiter more young South African talent, of which kuyinto enhle because mina ngithi ngibe nokuthi i-Pirates in the next 5 years if sizoqhubeka kanje, there's no team that will touch Pirates e-Africa as a whole, not only in South Africa. Mozobheka isquad sethu mhlawumbe 95% isquad se-Pirates ama-under 25, and kulama under 25 mozo-check there are South African players, of which kuzohamba isikhathi uthola njengoba angakabe sure because i-Safari kaka-announce uPitso as the new coach, but masibuka it's already done uPitso is new coach. Into ezokwenzeka with Pirates moyicompare na-other big three, mengizocompare nje na-other big three ngawabala abanye, mozo-check i-recruitment system ye-Pirates i-more advanced than le big three when it comes to local talent. Sundowns angeke umatch Sundowns internationally, financially ayisihlula kude ngemali, but mozo-check abanye njengane-Chiefs. I-Chiefs indlela e-recruiter ngayo angifuni kube ngathi ngiyabadelela wena. I-Chiefs ngiyi-respect, ayi-brand enkulu, mhlawumbe cishe enkulu nawo wonke ama-brand akhona e-South Africa currently, kodwa indlela ebesebenza ngayo from management, technical team, ama-scout, it's like they are lost. They don't know nge-culture yabo, nge-brand ye-Chiefs ukuthi imele i-Chiefs ibe ithime kanjani structure wise. So mobheka i-recruitment ye-Pirates, masibuyela back kwi-recruitment ye-Pirates, mozo-check i-Pirates umuntu engathi nemsayinile esingathi u-international uGabani Lunga, mozomcheck-a umjita akadlali position eyodwa, mhlawumbe angadlala more than 4 position e-ground. Mozo-check-a lokho kukodwa kutshela into eziningi ukuthi bahlalile phasi bam-analyze umjita, as much as mhlawumbe abanye bethu bebengambheki bengambuki ngalo kangako from efike eSouth Africa, but mina ngeke ngasinika isikhathi ngambuka from SuperSport, even nakuswele la season angibukanga amagame amaningi. Igame engiyibukeke kakhulu nganaka ile game ye-Sundowns lebe sidinga ukuthi siwelele siwin, yabo. Kodwa nje ukumbuka from SuperSport mina ngasho ukuthi is one of those players abazosisiza kakhulu this season as a starter or an impact player, because une big heart umjita, akanayo lento ukuthi ngoba angidlali then hey why ngingadlali, yabo. Uyilo ma player anenhliziyo ukuthi noma ngathiwa ngidlali mangithola leyo last 10 minutes I have to use that 10 minutes, yabo. Mosela nje international ufuna a player like that, not ukuthi silanda international player kodwa ifane noPopo kanje. uPopo is the youngster awuningi angakuboni ngebhola, akazi lutho. So iPirates mayiya international engithanda nge-recruitment team yayo noma ama-scout wabo, they go for someone onenhliziyo ye-Pirates, ongasho nenhliziyo ye-Pirates, onenhliziyo efunwa i-system ye-Pirates noma efunwa i-Pirates. So ilotho mina ngincomayo nge-scouting team ye-Pirates as well as management ye-Pirates.
Yeah, i-recruitment team ye-Orlando Pirates, they've been proving even ama-fans why Orlando Pirates wrong. Ngikhumbula makuhamba bonkotha kuhamba abo Saleng, kuhamba abo this guy uLodge. There were many people who were talking with Pirates this, Pirates that, but Orlando Pirates scouts have been proving my friends wrong. Unfortunately, getting my friends uma sesibonile into esebenza, we don't go and apologize. I was happy izolo ngikhuluma nomfowethu weMamelodi Sundowns, yasho ukuthi yena when i-Sundowns i-signa uCupido, he didn't think ukuthi that was the right signing, but uthi waye wathumela emalokhu namagroupini eMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi abeyaxolisa ukuthi wa-criticize uCupido. So I think nathi thina abalandeli bama-team noma abalandeli bayo i-Orlando Pirates, we need to admit i-Pirates has been proving us wrong from win ama-cups to win league, even ukuhire abo coach, they've been proving ama-fans wrong, and these coaches are winning. Sesivala Mfoka Chapa, what's your take? Because I do believe ukuthi before ngibuze lo mbuzo, ku-CAF Champions League this season, ufisa ukuthi nifike kuphi ku-CAF Champions League? What's your wish about CAF Champions League this season?
Mina I will say nge-CAF Champions League thina as ama-fans we-Pirates wonke nje countrywide noma nje worldwide asinga-expect into enkulu kakhulu because ngathini i-team yethu ikwi-building phase. Asingafuni ukuthi because i-Sundowns iwine a second star then we brag leyo nto lesithathe siyifake incindezi kwi-technical team nama-players okuyiwona sikofesene nayo yonke lento ye-CAF. Mina ngakusho ukuthi mazobheka isquad sethu sibheke i-journey esihambayo as i-Pirates. Singazicompare ne-Sundowns, i-journey yethu ne-Sundowns ayifani. Yabo. So for mina, I will say take a team to a group stage. After logo, okwenzakalayo, it's a bonus. Because this is a young team, this is a new team. So for when to win a CAF Champions League, you need like 5+ years to prepare, and you need like some of our big signing, of which when Tina Culture Pirate doesn't believe in that. We believe in building a player, abenale profile, high profile from emncane simbuild up enkulu. Just nje ukwenza example njengalo Norele Nkocha Mbokazi. They came from a development. We build them babele into abayona. They are big stars now. So if besikwazi ukugcina uRele sigcina uMbokazi sigcina uNkocha kube manje bakhona this CAF Champions League, then I was going to say let's go all out and win this CAF Champions League. But we have let go of these boys club for ama greener pastures wabo nekwi benefit team. So as we are building, let's not put pressure with club yona straight. Let's say go to our group stages and see what happens after that. If we win it, it's a bonus. But asingayithatha lento siyibeke emqondweni. Let's sibuke ibhola njengokuthi I was maybe umpumi khoza lapha umpumi khoza lapha kwi-Pirates or ngizibeke kuma shoes wa coach we-Pirates or i-technical team as a whole. Ukuthi lokho esinako can win as a CAF Champions League now. To say must win a CAF Champions League nje masisuka sithi so win. Masoba neqiniso sibe fair to ourselves, sibe fair to i-brand ye-Pirates. No, we don't have that material to win CAF Champions League. But ibhola ngoba ibhola, our players are good, but they don't have that experience to win CAF Champions League. But bangaywina. So kodwa asingakuthathi thina lokho as ama-fans sithi we're going all out with CAF Champions League. No, let's play CAF Champions League stage at a time and celebrate lawo ma-achievement esiwatholayo.
Yeah, true, VK. Nami lapho nginawe because it's rare ukuthi ufike ku-Champions League trying to challenge it to win it. Ufike udlale maybe one season and then win it at the same time. It doesn't happen like that. Even if you can go back and trace Abo Mamelodi Sundowns, they've been knocking that door. Playing even the times of Abo Coach Rolane, Coach Mangoba, we've been seeing them knocking. So it's not a fluke that they find themselves winning that CAF Champions League. So as for Orlando Pirates, I think you are right, my brother. You are right. And then my last question to you, Mr. VK. Thanks to all our followers, and to Santanda, we are chilling with VK, Orlando Pirates. So my last question for you too, I would like to have your weight into how are you seeing the competition this season? About Chiefs, it's hard to talk about Chiefs now because first game they got knocked out MTN8, of which we were hoping maybe we were gonna meet them with Derby or even go to see them playing in final. So what's your take about the competition into your rivals? About Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns? Do you see them giving you tough times like they did, especially Sundowns last season, even Chiefs as well, because the derbies were not easy. You won the first derby convincingly, but the second derby it was hard. So how are you seeing competition? Because there are also teams like Abo Paris is just a team, and they are trying they are trying to give you guys some time. So about competition, what's your take on the competition before say value for it?
This season, I don't want to lie, this is gonna be a hell of a season for Pirates, because Ugwini League. So everyone eza with Pirates or we're going to that club or team, they are 120% prepared to fight up until the end. So ungabali nje Chiefs ne-Sundowns kuphela uchecking lawo amanye ama-team, it's gonna be hard for us because everyone like isibonisile first game ye-Midford ngingayibalile ye-cup. I-Midford came to us like they were pressing us ngale ndlela yokuthi hey kunzima, just nje kube ukuthi ke makuhamba isikhathi kwasho ukuthi they are inexperienced abashaya lapha nalaphana, but mozochecka wonke ama-team this season azobeza kanje ku-Pirates. So we have to be prepared ukuthi sifele egroundini ukuze sizokwazi uku-achieve whatever ama-goals esizisethele wona. Ukubuyela back kwi-Chiefs kakhulukazi, yes i-Chiefs was knocked out yesterday by Arrows, of which vele Arrows ayikazi banike ama-good times i-Chiefs. So asingathathi lokho thina sifake engqondweni ukuthi i-Chiefs will be like whipping what. No, i-Chiefs has a good team. Has a good team. Ungakudali lokubeka ukuthi has a good team and i-team yabe i-account ino-coach omusha nama-player amasha. So first 2 games, they won first game, they lost the second game. So angakutsheli lokho ukuthi Chiefs izokwenza bad this season. They are coming all out. So kuzoba nzima this season to play noma umuphi umuntu. But mina engisakufisa namanje ku-management ye-Pirates angazi ukuthi ngenza kanjani ukuthi mhlambe ibuke izinto ngenye indlela. Mina I still believe ukuthi nginalento ukuthi we don't have to take ama-game wethu outside of Orlando Stadium accommodate uSundowns no Chiefs. Check a game out mhlawumbe uyise mawuyisa ngaphandle uyise mhlawumbe asithi abuyise ePolokwane uyise eMbombela uyise KZN. Yilapho ungakhipha igame ngoba uyikhipela ama-fans. Masukukhipha igame eOrlando uyikhiphele opponent ukuthi hayi this is a big team wanna play in FNB. Why you have to play someone FNB? If ukhipha igame eOrlando uye eMbombela uye ePolokwane uye Western Cape Eastern Cape KZN for ama-fans. Ungakhipha i-team uyikhiphele ukuthi ngoba ngidlala neSundowns I need more numbers stadium. Makuthi iOrlando uyi-45 abangene ku-45 ku-45 othenga ithikithi iqala uzosho ithikithi uma ukhipha igame ikhiphe ngoba uyikhipha kwi-province not uyikhiphe egroundini uyidlela kamakhelwane. No, ukube benginawo amandla okuhlala ne-management ngitshele leyo nto bengitshela mina no we don't need numbers, everyone akafe la eOrlando asihlule la eOrlando kwi-home game yethu, not unless you taking game outside of i-province ukuze ama-fans amanye ateste whatever thina siyitestayo as abalandeli be-Pirates la eGauteng.
No, that's a valid point, my brother. That's a valid point. And among our games where Orlando Pirates they were taking their games, it was FNB. That's where they didn't play and get results. Of which favor means because prior to those matches they were winning games at Orlando Stadium, and then they take games outside and then they lose those matches. So you have a valid point, Mr. VK. We are hoping this is not the last time. We are testing waters here on TikTok. We're gonna be here for some time because we are still preparing to move to a bigger platform, YouTube. So we are very, very delightful to we hope for the best Orlando Pirates this season and also for E-League. Even our competitors, let them have a good season, because when the competitors are tough now, when like we saw last season where E-League was decided in the last game, and happily it was here in Mbombela, so I was very excited.
Yeah. Hi.
I was very excited.
Asibonga kakhulu bhuti kuwena nabalandeli bakho na wonke nje umuntu nongayena umlandeli ngoba khona bangona abalandeli but ababonayo umbukiso wakho. Okunye mhlambe u-encourage like ama-fans abalandeli bepage lakho, abalandeli bakho, abalandeli bayo yonke into eniyenzayo. Asibukeni ama-game ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi masingena la sikhuluma sikwazi ukukhuluma ngento esiyibukile. Ungabuka ama-highlights egcineni ufuna uzophikisana nathi sibuka i-games ayiqeda ngoba kuba buhlungu ukubuka uphikisa umuntu obonayo lo muntu asangalibuka ibhola. Uyangiphikisa nje ngokuthi umlandeli webhola and uzodazikani, uyayibo? Kuba buhlungu uzogcina ukuthi hayi ngithi ngishiye lo live ngiphume ngihambe ngoba lo muntu ngendlela esikhulumisana ngayo sigcina manje singazi ukuthi sinyuka imimoya ngoba uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo into ayikhulumayo akayazi angalibuka ibhola.
Yeah, injalo mfowethu, injalo lento encourage lapho cha nami ngiyavumelana nawe ngoba kunabantu ngempela ababuka ama-highlights who doesn't have isikhathi sokubuka ibhola, but unfortunately these days sekwaba khona ama-social media analyst of which sometimes fanele nani nikwazi ukuselecta ukuthi lo uzenzela i-content yokuthi ufuna ama-likes and stuff. But siyabonga kakhulu VK, nangu ugida sokhulu umphathi uthi uyabingelela lapho uthi uyindoda VK.
Sibonga kakhulu baba ugida sokhulu, hayi siyabonga.
Ulokhulu njalo uma ugida sokhulu uyambona ukuthi ugida sokhulu baba. Yazo. Ayasibonge VK futhi siyabonga kakhulu.
Danke bhuti.
Yeah, that was uVK bafowethu insizwa ke yale KZN umlandeli omkhulu weOrlando Pirates. Siyabonga ukuthi athathe isikhathi sakhe abe nathi kuyintokozo kakhulu. Umlandeli ke olibukelayo ibhola nolithanda ibhola akafake ukuba umlandeli webhola. Njengoba seshilo bafowethu we are still waiting for uPresident Thusi ukuthi sihlangane sibe naye la ku live wethu, of which is gonna be our second guest before we close namhlanje. Ama live afana lawa ke bafowethu kubalekile ukuthi sibe nawo uma sithola isikhathi sixoxe ngama teams wethu. Ngimbonile Thabiso mfowethu umlandeli omkhulu eKaizer Chiefs loyo, ngimbonile lapha ukuthi ukhona sizosithola isikhathi mfowethu ke sibe nawe, even yena ugida utata umfoka sokhulu sisazoke sibe naye. Phosha Mbokodo siyabonga mama. Kusasa niyadlala Phosha Mbokodo ya niyadlala kusasa, umlandeli omkhulu eTest Galaxy ke lo. Nizodlala kanjani kusasa Phosha? Sisiphusha ngicabanga ukuthi nizodlala kanjani kusasa? Sundowns ifikile isembombela, izobe idibana nani kusasa? Nimisele ngokudlala kanjani neMamelodi Sundowns, because you've been giving iMamelodi Sundowns tough time or run for their money lately.